Allison from LA Plans, and today I will be sharing the cloth and paper saddle agenda. This just came in the mail and I'm so excited to share this with y'all. I've been waiting for this for weeks and I'm so happy that it finally arrived. I have a couple of other items that I ordered that'll be in here, but I'm really going to focus on the agenda. So let's open this up. And so first I ordered some drop stickers. And then I also ordered the Gantt chart inserts for the A5 size, and I want to try these at my work agenda. So I'm just going to put these to the side and then share the cloth and paper agenda. Okay, so all of the agendas come in a dust bag this year, and this is such a nice dust bag. I will leave the review to the cloth and paper black smooth leather agenda below, and I kind of cover the dust bag there if y'all are interested. Okay, so this is the Smooth Caviar saddle agenda with gold hardware in the A5 size. This one also has the 6 rings. And I absolutely love this color. All of my bags are this color. I have so many shoes this color. I absolutely love this saddle color. It's just a very nice tan, and it's that same quality as the black leather agenda. And here is the interior. So you have gold rings, gold cloth and paper logo, pen holder, this large pocket on the side, 2 over here, and then 6 card holders and a passport pocket. And then this one also comes with a care card. And you have leather care on the back. And then we have the agenda. So it's so beautiful. I absolutely love this color. When I saw that they launched this, I was so excited because it's such a pretty neutral color. And this is one of my favorite colors as well. Okay, so I will be using this as a home planner. So my finance agenda and like personal documents will be in here. And so initially I was going to use the black leather agenda for that, but I decided to use this one because it goes more with my Louis Vuitton agendas color scheme wise. And so that personally just helps me associate that like the brown neutral colors will be for personal and then the black will be for work. And so I'm going to partially set this up with you guys, and then once I get a final structure I will do a setup with y'all. So okay, so here is the agenda with some of the glass dividers and inserts. So these are the glass side dividers and glass top dividers from cloth and paper. And my favorite is the monthly tabs with the gold accents because I love the way that they look with the gold hardware. And then this is how the inserts look in here. So it's a very nice fit and I'm very excited to use this. So I know this is a quick video, but I just wanted to show y'all this beautiful agenda. It finally came in. I'm going to finish working on my setup and then have a separate video on that. I also ordered some page lifters from Poi and Han, so I'm very excited to try those out. But other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.